always interesting when an electronic is really big or really small. Well, the Bose Soundlink Micro takes tiny to the next level, but don't worry, it's still big on the sound. Hi guys, I'm Devin Howard, at Devin Howard on Instagram and at Devin M. Howard on TikTok. Welcome back to another episode of Unbox This. Bose's Soundlink Micro is a palm-sized Bluetooth speaker that lets you take the party with you. This portable, durable Bluetooth speaker is built to handle your adventures. You can snap it onto your bike handlebars or bring it with you to the beach. It's waterproof, rugged, and will keep your action fun with all your favorite playlists. As a small person, I appreciate small tech, so let's get into it. It's time to unbox this. I have a feeling this product is going to be super easy to unbox. So let's start by taking off this wrapper. You guys hate it when I use the box cutter for like wrappers, but you know what? I play by my own rules. Although it didn't really work that well this time. Wow, so tiny. See how it just fits in the palm of my hand? Okay, so here we have your setup guide, the safety information, and a USB to micro USB cord. And that's everything that comes in the box, so let's get rid of all of the packaging and then we'll get into the details about the Bose Soundlink Micro. Even though the Bose Soundlink Micro is impressive because of its small size, that means nothing if you're not getting good audio. Luckily, Bose powered this baby with the necessary equipment to keep your music sounding great. It has a custom-designed transducer and passive radiators, giving you crisp, balanced sound and rumbly rich bass. Sometimes when portable speakers are too small, they end up sounding tinny or flat. The Soundlink Micro challenges that. Now on to its durability. It's been tested to meet an IP67 rating. It's waterproof, so if you bring it out in the rain or accidentally drop it into water, it'll survive and thrive. Meanwhile, if I get caught in the rain, I certainly will not be thriving. The dust-proofing adds to its durability. Sand and dirt won't disrupt the tunes from playing throughout your day. This soft-touch exterior feels really good in my hands, and the speaker's premium materials protect it from high heat, extreme cold, liquids, and other substances. If you happen to drop it, the rubberized exterior resists any major impacts and dents, cracks, and scratches. So even someone as clumsy as I am can happily enjoy this speaker without the looming threat of breaking it hanging over our heads. Because that's inevitably going to happen if it's in my hands. A lot of portable speakers claim to be able to go with you wherever you want, but then they don't actually come with any attachments to make that easy to do. With the Soundlink Micro's tear-resistant strap, you really can take this with you, and I don't mean by holding it in your hands. You can attach it to your backpack, bike, or anything else so you can have hands-free music all day long. With up to 6 hours of battery life on a single charge, the Bose Soundlink Micro can keep up with you on even your longest adventures. Okay guys, if you're in need of a pocket-sized portable speaker, shop this one at the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell. I'm Devin Howard, thanks for watching, and we just unboxed this. Bye guys!